palat kendai pun rio hajar ngut ki samla pule ke Jylla kinyo ya ka bai bam lani scholarship ka ba tip kum ka umbrella post matric scholarship for scheduled tribe hakaba Myntri Rangbah ukonrat ke sangma ula palat pedba ya ka jing palat pisa hakawat ka baningkong. Myntri Rangbah ula pelat yakani haka jingelang kabalak pelong da katanat puli puthi Hashlong College minta kasngi ke arpunyo tarik unailar ahajar apunrio haka jisa kilang Myntri katanat puli puthi uba lakamen rumbui chief secretary but commissioner but secretary katanat puli puthi ka Jylla nalor kino hikai but ki samla puli. Kisamla puli ki badai banyo ya ka scholarship hakani ka wat pelat pisa ke baningkong ki dan kendai pun riu hajar praspa kat arngut habaro kawai ka Jylla jang usnam ahajar apusan ahajar apun riu.
And for the last 8 years, and I keep giving this analogy to everybody I speak to. So education department is like the wires of your headphones or the different strings that are all jumbled up together. And your natural instinct is to pull and hope that everything just falls into place. And that's what you would do. Suddenly you would pull it, only to realize that you are actually complicating the problem even more. And so the only way to resolve the problem is to take this bunch of knots and untie them one by one, which requires a lot of patience, which requires a lot of concentration, and which requires the other people watching this knot being this bundle of knots being unknotted and saying, "What are you doing? Do it fast." And that's precisely what the education sector has been for us for the last 8 years. But as correctly mentioned by Honorable Minister in his speech, we are on the right path. We have started to take steps which are meaningful, which are decisive, which are rectifying foundational challenges and problems that existed in the education system. And today being able to structure it in a manner and then allow the system to flow so that slowly and steadily things fall into place. And when I talk like that, I know for some of you it may just sound like a really boring speech. But some of us who are in the education sector can understand what I'm talking about. And they will agree with me when I tell them that all of us who have been working on this, untangling these knots, can see what will happen in the next 5 years from now. I can see it. I can literally, vision what's going to happen in 5 years. I can see the next 10 years. I can see what's going to happen for the PGI. I can see what's going to happen when it comes to our teacher ratios. I can see what's going to happen when it comes to our science education, our higher secondary education. I can see how the colleges and higher technical education is going to go up. And I can foresee where we are going to go forward because we have laid those foundations now. We have untangled those knots. We have changed the structural problems that were there in the system to allow now the system to move in the right direction. And it's been a long journey. I don't want to get into, what the problems were. But I do take this moment to really put my sense of appreciation and gratitude to all the people who have put in hours and hours, gone through the pressure of different stakeholders coming in and demanding different things. And one pulling you from this side, the other pulling you from this side. Yet staying focused on what we are supposed to do and moving forward.
Conrad Kesama will fulfill one of the responsibility to see that every student should get an opportunity every student should receive what they are due to them. I'm very thankful to you, sir, to your constant initiative that this beautiful thing could happen.